Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making double glazed apple fritters from regular show.
This recipe includes Granny Smith apples, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, AP flour, powdered sugar, 1 egg, stick of butter, salt, baking powder, and whole milk. First, we're going to karate chop 220 grams of green apples and then put them in ice water with a little bit of lemon juice. We do that so the apples won't brown. Now pour in 1.5 cups of AP flour. Alright, we're going to be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder instead of yeast because
Nobody got no time for that.
Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to mix it till combined. Now, the wet ingredients. Pour in 3/4 cups of whole milk, crack in 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, then mix. And that's not all. We're also going to add in 64 grams of unsweetened applesauce. That's going to be the sweetener because what's the point of adding sugar inside the donuts if they're already going to be double glazed? It's time to pour the wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients and let the flavors dance together. Fold in the diced green apples and let them do their thing. Just to let you guys know, when making these apple fritters, it's normal for the batter to have a pancake-like consistency. With the help of a slotted spoon, carefully add dollops of your fritter mixture and deep fry them till they're golden brown. Time for the glaze. Pour in 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and a half teaspoon of vanilla and mix. I don't want this glaze to be too thick, so I'm going to pour in 1 more tablespoon of milk, because 1 more tablespoon won't hurt anyone. Coat each fritter into the glaze, let it dry, then dip it into the glaze again for that double glaze. But if you want to double glaze these fritters, I would repeat the process of making the glaze if I were you. And look at that, our double glazed donuts are done. And if you're wondering how to say double glazed apple fritters in Spanish, it's buñuelos de manzana con doble glaseado. Alright, our fritters are done. I'm gonna try them now and I won't cap.
Well, hello there.
Okay, now that was a sugar rush experience. And as they said in the show, they said that they are not safe for human consumption, which isn't true. They definitely are safe for human consumption. The only thing is that you just have to eat these on special occasions and not every day. But I'm not gonna lie, these fritters are really good. The crazy thing is that I didn't even add sugar to these donuts. The only time I added sugar was when I was coating these in the glaze. And when I tried these without the glaze, it was actually good just the way it was. We didn't need to add sugar or anything at all. All of this is just natural sugar. But the one thing I don't taste at all is the applesauce. Nobody would ever knew that I put applesauce in these. That's just the key ingredient. And the fact that these are called apple fritters, they're called apple fritters for a reason. It really feels like these taste less sweet than the ones that you get in the donut shops. Oh, it looks like the sugar's wearing off now.
Oh, mi cabeza. No más azúcar. Okay, before I end the video, I'd just like to thank all of you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, it's official. I officially have 1,000 subscribers, and I couldn't done it without you guys. One thing is, you gotta work hard, stay consistent, and most importantly, be yourself. And I'm telling you guys right now, 1,000 subscribers is a whole milestone. So God bless y'all and have a good day. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.